Unihost is a hosting solution that offers a range of services designed to compete with industry giants like Bluehost, HostGator, and SiteGround. But before you make your decision, there are 7 important things you need to know about Unihost before buying. Stick around till the end, because I'll be sharing insights that could save you time and money. Let's get into it. First thing you should know, Unihost has an incredibly user-friendly interface. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced webmaster, their control panel is simple to navigate. Compared to other hosting providers, Unihost's dashboard stands out for its clean design and ease of access, making it easier to set up and manage your site. Next thing you need to consider is speed. Unihost provides excellent performance with fast load times, especially when compared to some of its competitors in the same price range. They use SSD storage, which contributes to faster speeds and enhanced site performance. With modern hosting, speed is crucial for both user experience and SEO, and Unihost definitely delivers in this area. The third thing is security. Unihost offers robust security features like free SSL certificates, daily backups, and DDoS protection. This might not be a huge selling point compared to higher-end competitors, but for its pricing tier, it's a strong contender. Plus, it's great for anyone who wants peace of mind, knowing their site is protected from potential cyber threats. Now the fourth thing, customer support. This is a big one, and Unihost does well in this area. While it doesn't have 24/7 live chat like some other hosting providers, their response times via ticketing are generally quick, and they offer thorough solutions. Their knowledge base is pretty comprehensive too, which is ideal if you like to troubleshoot on your own. The fifth point is pricing. Unihost tends to be very competitively priced, often undercutting major players like HostGator and SiteGround. However, it's important to note that like many other hosting services, their low introductory rates jump up after the first term. That's something you'll want to keep in mind before committing long term. But for a solid hosting experience, the price is hard to beat. Next, let's talk about scalability. If you're planning to grow your website in the future, Unihost can accommodate that. They offer a variety of hosting plans, including shared hosting, VPS, and dedicated servers. However, when you scale up, the cost can rise significantly compared to budget hosts, so it's worth considering whether the features justify the cost for your needs. Lastly, the performance is great, but how does Unihost stack up against other companies when it comes to uptime? With 99.9% uptime, they hold their ground pretty well compared to top-tier hosting services. While it's not perfect, it's more than sufficient for most users. If uptime reliability is your absolute priority, it's something to keep in mind. But for the average user, Unihost performs just fine. If you're looking to try out Unihost before making any long-term decisions, I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description below for the best free trial. Not only will you get to experience the product firsthand, but you'll also unlock some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So there you have it, 7 things you absolutely need to know before buying Unihost. If you want to give it a go yourself, remember to click that first link in the description for the best deal. Trust me, it's worth checking out if you're looking for a solid, affordable hosting solution with great features and competitive pricing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link below.